Friends, make the best use of your time with a bucket list. All of us have a few hours of extra time on our hands following the lockdown or the new work from home rules. That's because we don't have to do a lot of things we used to do earlier. Friends, getting ready for work, traveling, getting stuck in traffic is no more happening. There are no traffic jams. It's nice to have a breather and spend some time with the family, which we have been doing for such a long time in this lockdown. But in addition to doing that, let's try to do a lot more. Don't waste this precious time that has been added to our lives absolutely all of a sudden. Every minute we have an opportunity, and every minute wasted is an opportunity lost. So let me discuss a few tips to make the best of our time. Point number 1, do things you always wanted to do. Treat this as an opportunity to do all those things that you never had the time to do. Because earlier your schedule was hectic. Whether it is exercise or reading a book or listening to music or writing a book or taking a course, do it now. Friends, make a bucket list. Make a bucket list of all the things you want to do and tick them off daily. You'll be surprised how satisfying that feels. It's a feeling that you'll treasure. You need to expand your focus. Try to think of all the opportunities that have appeared in this changed economic situation and scenario. It may look like life has come to a standstill from one point of view, but if you really look deep, it's an extraordinary opportunity. Of all you need to do is select the one that you want to take immediately and complete it. Friends, give up unnecessary projects. Ask yourself how you can best use your time. Try to weigh each hour in terms of productivity. Give up projects which don't make sense anymore and try to add new ones which are more sensible, especially in the current scenario. Friends, it is very important to realign your goals in life. With so much changing in our everyday lives, we need to relook at our very goals. Are these goals in sync with what is happening around us today? You need to ask that question. Or do they seem flimsy by nature? Correct and realign your life strategies to suit the moment. This could improve your life in a big way in the coming years. Friends, be there for those you love. Don't we all want to know who will really be there for us in times of our need? It's a question to be asked. Well, it is at times like these that there is more apparent of who's there with you and who's your support system. So instead of waiting to see who loves you, be there for those you love. After all, love works both the ways.
St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures is one of the largest villa developers in India. Brings to you the White Villas Shahapur. The Suzanne Khan designed villas comes with land ownership, 360-degree lush green view, very near from Mumbai and Thane, 3 kilometers away from Adgaon local railway station, 500 meters away from Mumbai-Nasik highway, assured rentals with zero maintenance, high capital appreciation expected in coming years, world-class materials with best amenities. So grab the opportunity and do your villa booking today. Call us on 9011223344 or visit us on www.savvglobal.com. St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures is one of the largest villa developers in India. Brings to you the White Villas Kasara. Designer villas comes with land ownership, 360-degree lush green view, very near from Mumbai and Thane, 1.2 kilometers away from Kasara local railway station, adjoining to Mumbai-Nasik highway, assured rentals with zero maintenance, high capital appreciation expected in coming years on this road, 20 feet double height living room, world-class materials with best amenities. So grab the opportunity and do your villa booking today. Call us on 9011223344 or visit us on www.savvglobal.com.